Since I have been getting a lot of DMs requesting me to make a video on how to remove dark circles at home without using expensive products, so here I am to help you with 5 home remedies to remove dark circles at home without using expensive products. So I'm gonna help you with I have 5 home remedies, from which 3 of them I'm gonna show you right now. And 2 I won't be able to show. I tried arranging the ingredients, but I don't have ingredients right now with me. So the first one I'll tell you. I have taken 2 tablespoon milk here with me, and then just add 2 tablespoon coffee in it. So let me show you. So I have added coffee in the milk. Just mix it. Mix it well. And then you can just apply on your dark circles like this. And you have to keep it for 30 minutes, and then you can just wipe it off. You'll have to continue this process for 10 days, and then you can just you can see the difference. Okay, and let me just wipe it off, then I can show you the second one. Yeah. So for the second one, I have ingredients right here with me. We are going to take Vaseline, in a bowl. Take Vaseline and then just squeeze lemon in it. Mix it well and apply on your dark circles like this. You have to continue this process for 7 days, and then you'll be able to see the difference. Yeah. Keep it for 30 minutes and then you can wipe it off. Third one, again, potato. Just take a slice of the potato. Okay, yeah, it is my favorite. Take a slice of potato and rub it under your eye for 2 minutes. You can continue this process for 5 days, and then you will see the difference. Just rub potato slice under your eye like this. Do it for 5 days and then you can see the difference. So these are the 3 remedies which I have told you. 2 of them I won't be able to show you right here because I don't have the ingredients with me. Still I'll tell you how to do it. For extreme dark circles, if you have extreme dark circles, you can just use 2 products at home, which is baking soda and milk. Just mix it well. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoon milk. Just mix it well, and then you can just apply under your eyes. Keep it for 30 minutes, and you can continue this process for 7 days. Okay, and the one more is cucumber juice. Yeah, I don't have cucumber also, so you have to take cucumber juice and almond oil, mix it well, and then you can apply under your eyes. And one more, my mom has told me just now. I was talking to her on the phone, and yeah, she told me one more remedy for dark circles. You can use potato juice and coffee, and you can just make cubes out of it. Keep it in the freezer, and then you can use the cubes next day in the morning. You'll see the difference. She's been doing that process. So yeah, for any queries you can DM. Do follow, like, subscribe. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. The link is in the bio. Thank you. Bye.